Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix Dropbox link temporarily disabled. If you're having trouble with fixing your Dropbox link temporarily disabled, then you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Turn it on from the notification bar or control center and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Dropbox and try logging in again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, check if there's an update available for Dropbox on Play Store or App Store. Go to Play Store and then search for Dropbox and see if there's an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using an outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's cache, especially on Android. Here's how. Go to settings and then search app. After that, click on the option of app and then scroll down until you see Dropbox. Once you see Dropbox, click on it and then scroll a bit down and click on storage. Then you'll see the option of clear cache in the bottom right corner. Then hit on clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get to in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete the app Dropbox from your device and then try reinstalling it. This gives you a fresh install with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods would have helped you to fix Dropbox link temporarily disabled. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.